We forget to stop and take a moment and look around and remember, I prayed for this. There was a time when none of this existed. This space that I'm in right now, there was a time where none of this existed. There was a time when this was just a hope. This all was just a dream. But I prayed for this moment and I'm here. And I think that when we take the time to acknowledge that we are in a place that we once prayed for, we allow God to prepare us for the next thing, because he can trust that even when we get to the next place, that we'll remember that all of this was once just a prayer. It's just an imagination. That all of this was once only a conversation that I had with myself, and now we're sitting in it.
I will see of the goodness